Are you good, Freddy? So, this is going on.
Hey, Ian McGuire again. Hear me up there.
Hello?
Hi. Is this Toys R Us?
Hi, Jeff.
Jeff, I'm looking for Toys R Us.
I love you.
I love you, but I need Toys R Us.
You need Toys R Us? That sucks. I don't have Toys R Us.
Where's the Toys R Us at? I need the Toys R Us.
I don't know.
Well, do you know the number to Toys R Us?
No, I don't know the number for Toys R Us, sorry.
I think you're attractive. You're attractive.
What?
You're attractive.
I'm attractive? Thanks.
Yes. You're very welcome. So, do you know where I can find a football in Toys R Us?
What?
Do you know if I can find the football at the Toys R Us?
Grow a dick.
What? I'm looking for Toys R Us.
I don't know.
I'm looking for Kevin at Toys R Us. He's my friend.
I'm looking for Kevin at Toys R Us.
He's my friend.
Oh, he's my friend too.
Oh, how do you know Kevin?
What?
How do you know him?
He goes to our school. My school.
No, he goes to my school.
He doesn't go to your school.
Yeah, he's in first grade just like me.
That's cool.
Yeah, we're best friends.
Your best friend.
Are you his friend?
Yes, I'm his friend.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Do you know his last name?
Nope.
Oh, well, you're not his friend then. Only his friends know his last name.
That's cool.
I know his last name.
That's cool. What's his last name?
It's Shukwana.
Shukwana? Yo, Shukwana. My name's Shaniqua. My daddy. Hello?
Who are you with?
Your mom?
No, my mommy is. But yeah, we're looking for Kevin at Toys R Us.
You're annoying.
No, you are very annoying.
Thanks.
But I still think you're attractive.
Thanks.
So, what are you doing?
Nothing.
We should go on a date sometime.
Thanks.
Why not? You do not like younger men like me?
Because you're so freaking annoying.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Oh, well. Do you know who this is?
No.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, where's Kevin at?
I don't know. Toys R Us, I guess.
Do you know a Toys R Us by you?
What?
Do you know where a Toys R Us is?
Wait, what?
Is there a Toys R Us by you?
Yep.
Can you tell me where it is? What's it called?
Are you stupid?
No, I'm not stupid. I'm very intelligent.
Why?
No, I'm asking for Kevin. Where's Kevin?
I don't know where Kevin is. I don't know how to make a wish. Make a wish, Brother Levin.
You make a wish.
I don't make a wish, Brother Levin. You make a wish.
Who are you with? Are you with a friend? Are you with Kevin? Is Kevin there? Kevin! Kevin!
Kevin!
Where's Kevin?
You complete me.
I do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Everybody likes
Right.
me.
Alright.
Well, no, don't
I
leave.
think it's funny how on a Saturday night you're prank calling people, so you can like get a life now. Bye.
Oh wait, hello?